The Boating Adventure, channel update number 172. Well, a very good day to you. It is Thursday the 25th of June 2026. And wow, yes, it's hot in here in the Lisbon House workshop. I'm always very grateful to have this facility. It's been a great assistance to me when I've been trying to repair and improve the swamp duck. I'm able to take things off the boat, bring them back here, sort them out, and then take them back and refit them to the boat. And I've done that with so many different things. At the moment I'm in here tidying the workshop up because I have been spending quite a bit of time on the swamp duck doing some minor repairs and some improvements to it, and I needed to use the facilities here. There are lots of bits and bobs in this workshop that I took off this swamp duck when I first got it, and since I've been working on it. In particular, when I first bought the swamp duck, it was still kitted out for a family of 4, believe it or not. And I've still got the pieces that were put on the deck to make up a second double berth. The back step was part 1 of that berth, and then you had these pieces. There are 3 more of these. This is number 2, and we've got number 3 and number 4 on the bottom. These were placed across the aisle of the deck between the 2 bench seats. The skipper's chair was removed by collapsing it down, and these were put in its place, and it made up a double berth. The cushions either side were spread out, and this made a bed. These were stored in the compartment where I now have all of the workings for the Chinese diesel heater. But I've kept these, goodness knows why, but they're still there as a reminder, because I think, well, they're part of the boat really. So a lot of the work that I have been doing on the swamp duck in recent weeks I have put together and made a video, and that video will be published on Saturday the 4th of July 2026 at 8 AM. So much of that work took place on the boat itself, but a lot of it had to be brought back here and made up in the workshop and taken back to the boat. So join me for that video on Saturday the 4th of July 2026 at 8 AM. So I'd like to thank you for your continued support for the channel, and a welcome to any new subscribers that we've had in recent days and weeks. The numbers are really growing, and we're not far off a magic number. So I'm hoping that probably by the end of the year we might be able to reach that figure. I looked today and we've had well over 180,000 views since I started this about 7 years ago now. So that's absolutely mind-blowing. So thank you very much, and as always, do take care.